As I was telling you, Monica, I've been conned a lot by other real estate company, and my trust with real estate companies in Kenya is actually at zero. So I'm actually not very confident right now with property companies. So I just don't think I'm not going to buy this one.
No, I understand where you're coming from, but I can assure you that here at WeMark, we'll take you through every process step by step. No need to worry, you like it here.
Are you sure?
Very sure, very.
Okay, let's just see how it goes because
Okay, sawa. Hi, Mona. Let me go for lunch. I'll be back in a few.
Excuse me. Before you go, I have an issue that I'd really like you to handle. So my client here just flew in this morning. She's a very potential client, but kuna tu shida moja. She has been conned before, not once. So inampea doubt ako 50-50 about purchasing our
With the same client I'm seeing there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'd like you to help me handle that.
Okay. Well, let me see.
you just landed in Kenya. Let
How
me
are
call
you?
you back. I'm fine.
You're good?
I'm good.
My name is Justus.
Yes.
I'm the general manager with WeMark Properties.
Oh wow! I've actually been waiting for you for quite some time
Okay.
with Monica.
Mm-hmm.
She told me she's going to introduce me to you.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope you're going to be of help to me.
It's okay. Can we go to the office, maybe
Yeah,
talk
sure,
about this?
Sure. It's okay.
It's okay. Mona, you can carry to her.
You really have a nice office.
Thank you. Can I have a seat here?
Thank you so much.
Wow. Okay. So let me hear what happened.
All right. So my name is Elizabeth.
Okay.
I've been in touch with Monica here. She's your sales executive.
Yeah, she is.
So I'm Canadian and I'm also Kenyan. I was just googling about say real estate companies in Kenya, and I came across yours. But I just have one issue because I have had instances in the past where I've been conned several times.
Okay.
And I've actually explained everything to Monica here. And she's trying to explain to me that you guys are legit and all that.
Okay.
But I'm still not very much convinced because, I've had a bad past with real estate companies in Kenya. They just keep conning people, and I just can't take it anymore. I've lost a couple, thousands of dollars, and I think it's over. But then when I am in Canada and I am working so hard, and in the back of my mind, I know that I don't have anything in Kenya, still feels very bad. So I just want to give it another shot, but I'm not sure where I'm supposed to go.
First of all, I'm so sorry about what has happened to you before.
Sorry.
And it has been our great concern because you're not the first person complaining about being conned. As a matter of fact, most of our diaspora clients, they are always duped. And it does not only apply to the clients in the diaspora, even those that are in Kenya, most of them are duped because I'll call it ignorance, but it's not ignorance. It's actually being misled by people. Yes, and we at WeMark, we are here to help you from scratch up to the time you're on your title deed.
Okay.
So maybe I'll ask you a few questions.
Yeah.
Number one, did you even have a chance to view the land that you bought or the property that you're talking about?
Well, I've had video calls and Zoom meetings where the salespeople would just go to the site, video. That's all.
So you've been relying on the information from the salespeople?
Yeah.
I think that is where you began going wrong.
Also, I have some relatives here who I thought were reliable, but since they were just liaising with these companies to steal from me, still very, very bad.
Okay, let me just educate you a little bit on what it entails to own a property in Kenya, because you'll get different people with different views on how to acquire property.
Yeah.
And mark you, a property is quite an emotive issue in Kenya, owning a property, that is.
Yeah.
So you have to get the right person to tell you, or rather to give you the right information, so that when you go to that journey of owning a property, you'll go there knowing what you're doing. So first thing first, number one, that you went wrong is trusting the people that you sent to view the land for you. Because most of the time, you will be shown a piece of land that does not even exist.
Yeah.
Because if I go take a video of a land somewhere in the middle of nowhere, will you know that that is the land?
I
No.
will not know.
So the most important thing, after you have ascertained that this is the land I want,
Yeah.
and how do you do that? Number one, you have to send 2 or 3 different people. Send a relative, send a friend. I know you have people that you know, even your alumni from where you are.
Yeah.
Those friends of yours can go and check that land on your behalf.